Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. These are the ingredients we are using for our coconut cake. We have 120 grams of shredded coconuts, then extra 30 grams here for spreading on top when we finish. This is our cornstarch, and then we have some oil, baking powder, salt, vanilla essence, homemade coconut milk, which the recipe is already on the channel. You can check out in our short section. This is sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut juice, white food coloring, eggs, butter, flour, white chocolate, and then this is our homemade cake release, which the video is on the channel. You can check out. These are the essentials. We have our baking sheet here, we have parchment paper, then we have the chopping board. We also have the mixer and its attachments, the mixing bowl, our sieve, and then a plate for serving the cake. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Into the mixing bowl, I'm going to add the sugar, the oil, and then we bring everything to a mix until light and fluffy as we introduce the 2 eggs into it one at a time. So this is what we've got. I'm going to add in the first egg. And then mix. Scrape the bottom. Add in the second egg. And then mix. So this is what we've got. Now I'm going to grease the baking tin. So the baking tin is greased through the corners and everything so that the cake is able to release from it very easily. For the recipe, check out the link description box below. This is what we've got. So I'm going to sift the dry ingredients into it. So I'll just sift half of it. Half of the cornstarch, the salt I'm going to add all for now, and then all for the baking powder. Then I'll sift it into it. And then we'll mix with the paddle attachment with the mixer here. So I'm going to mix. And I'll add half of the coconut milk. Mix it in. Then we sift the second batch of the dry ingredients. And then we'll mix once again. So I'm going to add the coconut juice and then I'll mix. Then I'll add the rest of the coconut milk and then the shredded coconut. Then I'll mix. Now is the time to add the vanilla essence. We'll finish it off by hand. So this is the cake batter. You can see that everything is well mixed. So I'm going to transfer it here. So I'm going to level it out. Then I'll bounce it lightly on the countertop and then bake at 160 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes on medium-low heat. So this is the coconut cake. See if it's baked perfectly. I'm dipping a toothpick into it and you see there's no particles on it. This means it's well baked. So I'm going to let it cool off before we decorate. So this is the cake. It's cooled off completely. I'm going to pour the white chocolate that we melted earlier onto it. Then I'll smoothen it out to cover the top of all the cake. You can also use frosting instead of using the melted white chocolate. I just wanted to go with this. I wasn't ready to make a new batch of frosting. So this is how it is. Trying to cover every single part. And then I'll sprinkle the coconuts that we shredded onto it. So I'm going to place it in the fridge so that the chocolate sets and then we are going to serve it. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to cut into it with the cake server. And on this side too. So I'm going to lift and then place it here. If you've been able to watch us from the beginning of this video till now, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post and notification icon so that you actually be the first person to get a notification when new videos are posted on Thursdays and Sundays, and also short videos from Monday to Sunday. Subscribe to this channel and I promise you are going to love it. Thank you for subscribing. So this is the cake. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.